Hey everyone, it's Jen. I am back with an unboxing of the Planner Society kits. I'm going to go ahead and start with the Washi Society kit, the washi tape sub, because that's what I always start off with. So let's go ahead and get started. So many pretty washi's, and they're all foiled with this gold foil. You have a super skinny washi up here with this geometric pattern. It's so pretty. And then the bows, and then the floral, and then the wide tape. So pretty. I love those polka dots. So pretty. That would be so much fun to make a washi dashboard with. Next up, we have the Sticker Society kit. We have the normal flags and bows, and you can write whatever you want here. They have like to buy, work, bill due, urgent, email, payday, today. We have the days of the week, and then some more days of the week, and then these are on flags, colored flags, and then this is just regular gold foil. So pretty. And then up here we have some more like months, and then like date night, payday, and then these are bow stickers, flags. And we have some more headers, and then bow checklists, my favorite, and then some of these decorative, and then flags. And I love the gold foil on them. Next we have the Box Sticker Society kit. So all of these are cut so that you can fold these and put them in your TN if you wish. Here are the checklists, the full box checklists, and they all come foiled. And then you have some heart checklists down here. Wow, these are stunning. I love these patterns. They're so pretty. And then some more decorative full boxes. And some more washi strips, quarter boxes, and half boxes. And then some headers, decorative, and then some habit trackers and appointment labels. And here we have the full kit. As always, I like to start off with the pen. This is the pen this month. It's so pretty. I love these colors and the pattern and the gold metallic accent. We have the full list pad, and I love how there's a space for your header, and then you have two lists, two columns, and then down here you just have a plain grid, and all of these pages come with foil on them, and these are all sticky notes, and they're all foiled as well. Next, we also have these gold clips, these metallic clips. We have plan, today, note, and hello. Another new item in the kit are these super cute pen holders, and it comes in this like really cool puffy metallic material, and then of course you have the elastic for your pen. The kit also comes with these super cute pockets, and then it has this really pretty lace detail in the front, and they come in different sizes so that they can fit in all planners. And then this one folds out like that. One of the new items in this month's kit are the washi, and these are 15 millimeter and 20 millimeter gold foil clear washi. And it's so pretty. I did a swatch on this for you. Look at how pretty those hanging bows are. I love these washis. They're so pretty. Obsessed. So we also have stencils, and these are so much fun. Oops. For bullet journaling. And then we have like full boxes, half box and quarter boxes, some scallops. Oops, this is backwards. And then I love how you have habit trackers, and then little checklists, and look, bow checklists. That's super cute. And I even love how you have this. It's like you could use this as like the top, the header for deco. Love that. We have some more washi cards, and I love these. These are my absolute favorite. You can stick these in your pockets, in your planner in the front. So easy to carry washi with you, and then it adds this super cute decoration element. And it does have a little film, so you have to peel that. Next we have our divider tabs. These word stickers, they're all foiled, and you can fit them perfectly on the divider tabs. Those stickers, So these have little hearts, so these could be used as like habit trackers. And I love using these in my journaling. So much fun. You can put like your title there. And then little washi strips. They're all gold foiled. And then I love these little Polaroids. So cute. We have all of these chipboard headers so that you could make page markers. And then it comes in these really cool colors. I love this deep navy blue. Our new item in the kit is this super cute pen case, and I love the material and the pattern. And then this is actually foiled as well. So you can put your pens in there. Love that. There are also these really pretty lace edgers. It's actually a sticker, and they're all foiled as well. Puffy stickers. I love all of these. It comes with these 8.5 by 11 papers, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the A and the B sides. They're so, so pretty. It's beautiful navy. I love this. So pretty. Comes with specialty papers. We have this that's also gold foiled. More vellum. Then we have acetate, gold foil acetate, super pretty laced paper, gorgeous. Finally, the kit comes with all of these die cuts, and I'm gonna go ahead and go through these. And that is the whole kit. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will leave all of the links below if you would like to subscribe to any of the kits. I will also leave a link to the Facebook group and my Instagram for more inspiration on how I use this kit in my planner or other crafty ways. Thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.